Well, alright everyone, today we probably have the most special Pokemon TCG unboxing that we had on the channel probably ever. Because with all the hoopla that's happening with Pokemon's 30th anniversary, that coming out on February 27th, and all the cool products that are coming, I'm sure we've seen some teasers on Twitter of all the different kind of card artwork that could possibly be coming with Pokemon's 30th anniversary. But you might have seen that Celebration set has been getting a lot of love from 2021, and we got our hands on one right here. So we're gonna open up this Celebrations ETB. It's 5 years old now at this point. I've actually never personally opened this before in my entire life. We do have some of the celebration cards, as you can see right here. We have this Venusaur down here, maybe you can see it right there, and some other ones and things like that. But again, overall, I'm ecstatic to open this up. So let's sit back, relax, enjoy this unboxing, because hopefully we get the ultimate pull. Let's get into it. Whew. Well, alright everybody, here we have it. This is going to be the Celebrations ETB, the 25th anniversary. I believe this came out in 2021, if I'm not mistaken. It shows it down here somewhere, but this is what's included in the box, right? You get 10 Celebrations packs, and like I mentioned in the beginning, I've never opened any Celebrations packs. You get 5 normal packs. I believe they're Scarlet and Violet packs, or Sword and Shield packs maybe. You get some energies, you get the Greninja promo, which again, it's a black label promo, and it does have the Celebrations little emblem on there and a bunch of other stuff, but let's crack this thing open and see if we can get what we're looking for. So, cracking the seal for the first time. Oh man. Here we go, everybody. There goes, let's put the minus 275 counter on the top of the screen here. But let's see exactly what's going on. I know that there's, I think, like 50 total cards in this set, so let's kind of look at that first. This is a small booklet. This was a special set, of course. You have like the Classic Collection set, and then you also have the other, I think it's just like the normal one. So Classic Pokemon Galore, this is what it looks like. I mean, I have a few of these cards already that I've purchased kind of separately, and then you have the Classic Card subset. So these are just classics that have been reprinted with that Celebrations emblem. So obviously this Charizard is the chase that everybody wants, but there's a bunch of other ones like the Mega Rayquaza, however you guys call it, the Greninja promo. This is a Gold Star promo. Again, this is kind of the era where I didn't collect Pokemon cards. These are these Gold Star cards that I know the original ones are going for a lot of money, but there's a bunch of different ones, and here you have the entire set. I think that, like I said, there's 50 cards in total. So if we look in here, it goes all the way to 25, and then it restarts again. But then you have these numbers down here, which still hold on to the same numbers from the original set. So even though this is going to be the number 1 card, it's still 2 out of, I believe, 104, because this is the Blastoise. That was the number that it was back in the day. And in total, like I said, 50 cards. Let's see if we can get some of those chase cards with, again, my favorite ones being, of course, the top 3. So it is Blastoise, Charizard, and Venusaur. The Birthday Pika, this gold or shining Magikarp's a big one. Rocket Zapdos, some awesome. I actually have this Rocket Zapdos, the original copy, in a 9. So let's put this off to the side here and see what's in the box itself. I'm gonna kind of like elongate this because, again, this is a special occasion. The Train On, you saw the old way that they were doing it. So you have a little, what is it, Pokemon trading card rules. This doesn't show up in ETBs anymore, which is fun. You have, if I crack this open, let's actually pull this out. You get the sleeves themselves. So these sleeves are absolutely awesome. Even these go for a pretty penny when you're not looking for them. You have a bunch of energies here, and you can see that you have the yellow outline on this one. You have the dividers, which black on the back, white on the front, or vice versa, however you guys want to say it. You have the promo, which here it is. Oof, that Gold Star Greninja promo. I mean, it looks pretty good all around, honestly. Maybe a little bit heavy to the left. But very cool card. We'll probably crack that open in a second. Maybe we'll keep it sealed. You have some coins, some die, and then let's get into the packs themselves. Again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Celebrations packs, and then you have, again, this is Sword and Shield era. So you have Darkness Ablaze, Vivid Voltage, Battle Styles, and Chilling Reign. These, again, I don't think I've opened any of these actually, which is funny enough, because I got back into it during the Sword or the Scarlet and Violet era with 151. I got back into it again, and then just haven't really looked back. So let's put this stuff back in here, kind of leave all that how it is, and start ripping these packs open. I'm so excited. I haven't been giddy about a set like this in a long time, and like I said, I've never opened it before, so I'm excited to see what it's like. This is the Greninja promo, if you guys do want to check that one out. As you can see, Very beautiful card, but let's dive in and open up first the Sword and Shield packs and see if we get anything there. All right, we'll put these off to the side, we'll save those, and let's crack these open first, like I said. Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze. I'll pull up like the chase card for these, maybe on the screen, because I don't really know what I'm getting myself into here, but this is what we got. So here it is, everybody. Let's get right into it. We got the Skitty, Pansage, Golett, Vanillite. Ooh. Is that Teddiursa? That's a Gen 2. What's this one? Serena? And then a nice little Darkrai. Energy. Oh, I forgot that there's a trick to these, huh? So let's do that. I've actually never done the 3 from behind. Let's see if we can do it correctly, but put that one off to the side. Another sword. What's this one? Another Darkness Ablaze. And let me know in the comment down below, when did you guys start collecting? I know a lot of these like nostalgic sets bring people back. Like before this one, I believe it was the Evolutions one. Actually, let's put this off here, and then 1, 2, 3. Hopefully I did that correct. Okay, I think we did it correctly. So there it is. Piers, Powerful Energy, Aaron Marini. There could be something back there. Purloin, Starly, Aaron, Hippopotas, and Delcatty as a rare, and then Fire Energy. Okay, 0 for 2. Whew. I'm really, really hoping that these celebration packs are worth it, because I think right now they individually go for like 28 bucks. That's what I'm seeing on at least a, what's it called? That's what I'm seeing on eBay at least, right? Here we go. Opal, B, Dewat, Mudbray, Poochyena. That is such a cute Charmander card. Chatot, Joltik, Rockruff. Ooh, and then Nessa. Very cool. Okay, the first pull, love to see it. Let's keep going. Now we got Battle Styles, Sword and Shield. Again, no idea what to expect here, and I think I kind of like that actually. So we got, let me turn this around, put this off the side, 1, 2, 3, bring it forward, and see what we're dealing with here. We got the Bouffalant, Urn of Vitality, Swepa, Remoraid, Onyx, Mawile, Cherubi, Pachirisu. That's a cool Houndour with a little emblem there. And ooh, EXP share. Whoa. Dang, what are the chances we get a gold card? That's sick. EXP share. Let me see if you guys can see that right there. Kind of let it just do its thing. Wow, what a cool card. And I think it's like perfect. I mean, there's a little bit of whitening on the ridge, but very cool card nonetheless. So far, 2 decent hits. Put this right here. And then last Sword and Shield era pack with the, I believe that's a Galarian Zapdos, or one of those different ones, you know. Let's go like this. 1, 2, 3. A lot of these cards, I guess they're so old, they're whitening a little bit already. I don't know, I haven't really opened older packs before, but this is what we got going on. Sobble, Inkay, Squovet, Scorbunny, Diglett, Cinderace. We pulled a couple Cinderaces from, what was it? Ascended Heroes, and Golurk as a rare. Crazy how we lived in a time that was not that long ago that you weren't guaranteed a holo. So those are all the Sword and Shield era ones, and now let's get into these guys. Because again, I could literally sell these for like 28 bucks a piece. So that's 280 bucks for just 40 cards. Let's see what we got. So like I said, I've never actually opened one of these. Again, 4 cards in a pack. Spam the comments with a good luck to see if we get anything. I don't even think there's a pack trick or what's going on. I'm afraid I'm gonna like ruin these cards too, because you're gonna maybe bend them, but let's see what we got here. The first pack, we have, I don't even wanna look. We have Cosmog, Dialga, Kyogre. Okay. First one, done. We'll put that off to the side. That's crazy. Whew. So again, you know, in the beginning it's not bad because I guess you do want to maybe complete the entire set. So seeing what we got going on. So here we go. Now we got Zekrom as the first one here. Lugia. Ho-Oh. And... ooh! Oh. I love this Pikachu card. I have a few of them already. I've bought them from like either vendors or card shops or whatever, but whew, Definitely one of my favorite cards. We gotta sleeve this bad boy up because we pulled it. And this thing looks amazing. A little bit of whitening there, but hey, moving right along. Pack number 2. Let's keep going. Or this is pack number 3, actually. So let's see. Our first dupe, we got the Dialga. Cosmoem. Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is? Here, let's go here. 1, 2. Venusaur! Whoa! Look at the texture on this thing. Wow. And then this Solgago or whatever, but oh man, and this thing is... That thing looks perfect. Man, I have to send that one into tag to get graded, honestly. And speaking of grading, what do you guys think about it? You know, PSA just put out an announcement that they're increasing their prices, even for their lowest tier. I've only ever graded with PSA once in my life, and it was to grade that Mega Charizard for Phantasmal Flames. And the only reason I did it is because I live near Jersey City, so I was able to go to the in-person drop-off. And I remember I paid extra for it to be done in 15 business days. It took about 30 business days. I had to overpay because it came back at 9, so the value was still too high, so I had to pay I think like a total of $80 overall. And it just wasn't a good experience. And now I got it back eventually, obviously, but it's just crazy now they're charging more in this world. But let's see, we got Cosmog, Yveltal, and something new. Let's see. 1, 2. Ooh, the Flying Pika. Whoa. It's crazy that this was just a set that people could pick up whenever. I mean, these cards are so cool. Flying Pikachu VMAX. Another great card. I would say the condition of the Celebrations cards that we're pulling are definitely better than the condition of the non-Celebrations cards. So we'll put that off to the side. Let's keep this thing rolling. I mean, there's hits in every single one. Whew. What a fun time. But yeah, let me know, comment down below if you guys grade. Do you like the state of the grading situation? Is it kind of like overdone? I'm hoping that the increase in price actually deters people from continuing to grade with PSA and trying other people out. Like, I'm a big fan of Tag just because their slabs look so cool to me. Kyogre. What is that? That's another retro one. That's another classic collection one. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2. Ooh, Rocket Zapdos. Again, the texture on these is so cool. Unbelievable. Such a cool card behind it. Ooh, Zacian V. It's cool how these cards are just like all here, you know? It makes you feel like you are, I guess, kind of getting your money's worth. Let's put that there. These cards are all amazing. Like, these are all top loader cards for me. I'm very, very happy to be doing this. A special occasion. Like I said, I do have one more of these ETBs, but we're going to keep that one probably sealed for a little while because they're going crazy right now, especially with the 30th anniversary right around the corner. It's an insane time for Pokemon collecting. There's definitely a hype cycle. It's going up and down. I already saw it go down once, but let's see what we got here. We have another Cosmog, Zekrom, Dialga, Professor's Research. Okay. I actually have this one. I like this card. I bought it separately. I think it's only like $1 card or maybe less, but overall very cool. What do we got left? 4 more. Let's see. Again, I want like a Mega Rayquaza. I want obviously the Charizard. I'll take a Blastoise too. You know, give me the nostalgic ones. We got another Lugia, which in its own right is a sick card. Cosmoem, Ho-Oh. Ooh, what is that? Solgaleo? Is that a legendary Pokemon? I don't even know. Let me know in the comment down below, everybody. We're moving right along here. So we have Zekrom, Dialga, Yveltal. Ooh, and another Flying Pikachu VMAX. Is that the same one? That is the same one. Okay, so we got dupes, but we'll take it, you know? Very cool card. The texture, it's like a thick card, honestly. We'll put that there. The last 2. Can we get what we're looking for? Here we go. Nice and gentle. Again, there's only 4 cards in here. And then, I don't know if you guys saw, but they leaked the Chinese version of like all the starter Pokemon. I don't know if you guys saw that. I think they look really cool. I still prefer the 151 artworks, but Groudon, or is it Groudon or Groudon for you? Reshiram, Palkia, and another Flying Pikachu V. That's so funny. A lot of flying Pikachus in this one. And let's see if we can get that last pack magic. Please, oh please. At least we got one of the starters. Well, I guess technically we got two with the Pikachu, but here we go. Let's see. Toss this. I think this is it. Here we go. Cosmoem. Lugia. Reshiram. And another Sparky Pikachu. I'd love to see that. We'll take that, you know? I'll take that for sure. Are we getting the full value out of this? Probably not, if you think about it, but let's see and kind of round this up and see what we got here. So out of the Celebrations packs, we did okay. We got a lot of Pikachus. Let's see, let's put all the Pikachus in order here. So we got two of like the Viridian Forest Pikachus. We got a Flying Pikachu V. We got two Pikachu V Maxes, which is hilarious. We got a Zacian V, the Rocket Zapdos, beautiful card, and then the Venusaur right here. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. We'd love to see it. And then of course we have the Greninja Gold Star, which I think is like a $20 card, maybe $30 card at this point. Let's see how it ends up doing. And then we have these two hits from the regular Sword and Shield packs. So we'll take that. Let me know what you guys think, but that'll do it. Show me some love in the comments down below for opening this thing. I was very hesitant to do it, but I'm glad that I did, and no regrets. And again, like we have one more. Maybe we'll pick up some more along the way, and I'm very excited for the 30th anniversary stuff to be coming out soon. Leave a comment down below if you made it to the end. Leave a dolphin in the comments down below so I know that you made it to the end. And if you guys want to watch more videos like this, check out one of these videos right here. Until next time, Fernando, peace.